Hi friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look into this video how to start a pig farming business. Commercial pig farming is one of the very best and most profitable business opportunities nowadays. From the point of view of meat production, many good breeds of pigs are found at the global level. Some of them are very suitable for commercial meat production according to the weather and climate of India. For this pig farming business, the entrepreneur can start farming by choosing a good breed. However, till a few years ago, there was a bad image of this type of business in society. But at present, the whole scenario has changed. Because at present, people have become aware of the economic value of pig farming. So this is the reason that at present, educated people are also earning their income by doing pig farming business in a modern and scientific way. Here in this video, we will give information about the benefits of pig farming and how pig farming is done commercially. Develop a business plan. Before starting any business, it's important to research the market to understand the competition and potential demand for your product. Look at the local market for pork and identify any gaps or opportunities. This will help you determine the type of pigs you will raise and how you will differentiate yourself from existing options. Once you have a clear understanding of the market, you will need to develop a business plan. This plan could include your financial projections, marketing strategy, and operational plan. It should also detail how you plan to source pigs, feed them, and sell the meat. Investment for pig farming business. Starting a pig farming business requires a significant investment in equipment, supplies, and pigs. So if you are starting your business by raising at least 20 pigs, then the total expenditure in the first year of this business can be from at least 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. And you will need to secure funding to cover these costs. This can be done through a traditional business loan, crowdfunding, or finding investors. License and registration for pig farming business. As you all know that a live animal is reared under the business of pig farming, then you will need to get some license and registration done to do this business legally and safely. In India, to start the business of pig farming, first of all you have to register your business with the local government authority, and at the same time you will have to register under the form of proprietorship or partnership. The most important thing is that you must have a current account and PAN for your pig farm. Apart from this, you will also have to pay income tax every year to do this business. Choose a location for pig farming business. Pig farming requires a lot of space, so you'll need to choose a location that has enough land to accommodate your pigs. However, it depends on your business size. Look for a location that is easily accessible for feed deliveries and has adequate space for pig pens and manure management. And clean and fresh water should be available at the selected place. And if the location of the business is in a market area, then it can prove to be even better for the business. And medical services should also be available at the selected place. Arrangements for pig farming business. Adequate sheds and equipment are very important for a successful pig farming business. Sheds not only provide shelter but also protect the pigs from bad weather, parasites, and various pig diseases. While making sheds for pigs, all the necessary facilities for them should be considered. Proper ventilation should be arranged. Arrangements should be made to keep pigs separately according to their type, because depending on the type, they may require different spaces. Choosing the right breeds for your pig farming business. After choosing suitable land for pig farming and getting the construction work done on it, now the entrepreneur should choose such breeds of pigs that have high production capacity. There are many pig breeds available all over the world, but not all of them are suitable for commercial rearing. Therefore, the entrepreneur has to choose the right breed for his pig farming business. Some popular breeds include Berkshire, Yorkshire, and Duroc, each of which has its own strengths and weaknesses. It is important to research the different breeds and choose one that is best suited to your needs, depending on factors such as your climate, the type of product you want to produce, and your financial preference. Feeding and caring for your pigs. Feeding and caring for your pigs is an important aspect of your pig farming business. Pigs are omnivorous and require a balanced diet to grow and thrive, so it is important to understand their nutritional needs and provide them with the right type of food. You can either purchase pig feed from a supplier or make your own using a combination of ingredients such as grains, vegetables, and livestock feed. In addition to feeding your pigs, you will also need to provide them with adequate water, as well as regular healthcare and attention. This may involve administering vaccines, providing parasite control, and monitoring your pigs for signs of illness or disease. It is also important to keep your pigs clean and comfortable, as this will not only improve their overall health and well-being, but also ensure that the meat produced is of the highest quality. Marketing your pig farming business. Finally, marketing your pig farming business is an important aspect of ensuring its success. There are many different ways to market your business, including through traditional channels such as local farmers markets and fairs, as well as online platforms such as social media and e-commerce websites. And also promote your business through flyers and local advertising. This is such an animal whose flesh to fat is used. Its meat is mainly used in the form of cosmetics and chemicals. Also, there is good demand for pork meat in other countries, so you can export it in large quantities to foreign countries.
Advantages of pig farming business. There are many advantages of starting a pig farming business, but here we are mentioning only the top 10 of the main advantages, whose list is as follows. 1. Pigs grow very rapidly as compared to other animals, because they have a high and amazing ability to convert food. Which means they have more food options than other animals. They can convert all kinds of inert food, grains, spoiled food, and even garbage, into nutritious and tasty meat. 2. The next advantage of pig farming is that they eat almost all types of food, like damaged grains, cereals, fodder, fruits, vegetables, garbage, sugarcane, and more. And even sometimes eat leaves, plants, or roots of green grass. Due to this, it does not cost much to raise them. 3. Pigs mature very quickly compared to other animals. Therefore, at the age of 8 to 9 months, pigs become capable of producing children. They can get pregnant twice a year, and in each birth, they give birth to 8 to 12 kids. 4. Starting pig farming business is simple as well as cost effective, that is, this business can be started with very little investment. If the land is one's own, then a person can start this business with very little investment, by covering thatch and buying some equipment. 5. There is not much difference between the total body weight and the metabolic weight of the pig. It is meant to say that a 100 kg live pig can be expected to produce 60 to 80 kg of meat. Pork is one of the most nutritious and delicious meats. It is high in fat and energy and low in the water. 6. Manure produced from pig farming is a widely used fertilizer. If the entrepreneur wants, it can be used for crop production in the fields, or for the purpose of fish farming in ponds. 7. The demand for pork fat is very high in many industries, such as poultry feed, soap, and chemical industries, which is increasing more and more with time. 8. Pigs develop quickly compared to other animals, so they can weigh 70 to 100 kg at the age of 7 to 9 months. This is the reason that a good return on investment can be expected from pig farming business. 9. Although pork meat is also in good demand in the domestic market, we can also earn well by exporting pig products, like bacon, ham, lard, pork, sausage, and more, to foreign countries. 10. Pig farming business can be a great source of income for small and landless farmers, unemployed, educated or uneducated young people, and rural women. It is meant to say that pig farming can become a good medium of earning for the people.
If you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope in this video, it helped you to initiate your own business. If you liked the video, please give it a like and comment. Thank you for watching, friends. For more business ideas, subscribe to New Business Ideas.